Welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're taking a closer look at the AE20 Drone, a feature-packed GPS drone designed for both beginners and casual aerial enthusiasts. Right out of the box, the AE20 stands out with its foldable design, making it compact and easy to carry. Folded, it fits neatly into a backpack, and when unfolded, it opens up into a stable platform ready for flight. This drone is powered by brushless motors, which means smoother performance, better efficiency, and longer durability compared to standard motors. Combined with GPS intelligent positioning and optical flow positioning, the AE20 offers stable hovering both outdoors and indoors. One of the key highlights is its dual camera system. The front camera features a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera with a 180-degree adjustable ESC, allowing you to tilt the camera remotely for better framing. On the bottom, there's an additional HD camera paired with optical flow for precise positioning and smoother indoor flights. The AE20 also includes screen-lifting obstacle avoidance, helping reduce collisions during flight, especially when flying indoors or in complex environments. Safety features like low battery return, signal loss return, and over-distance return add extra peace of mind. For smart flying, the drone supports intelligent follow mode, point-of-interest flight, custom flight routes, and one-key takeoff and landing. It also features headless mode, making orientation easier for new pilots. A unique addition is the airdrop function, adding a fun and creative element to your flights. The remote controller comes with a large built-in display and voice prompts, keeping you informed of flight status in real time. You can also control the drone using a mobile app for live video, settings, and route planning. With its 7.4-volt high-capacity battery, the AE20 delivers solid flight time for everyday aerial photography and recreational flying. Overall, the AE20 drone combines GPS stability, smart flight modes, obstacle avoidance, and a compact folding design into one accessible package. If you're looking for a versatile GPS drone with beginner-friendly features and creative options, this one is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Caring Guy for more honest drone reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next flight.